Howdy everyone, it's Taylor from the Vacationeer, and today I'm coming to you from Frisco, Texas to give you an exclusive look at a signature queen room inside the brand new Universal Kids Resort. The number one reason to book your stay here is the unbeatable proximity to the park. Every hotel guest also receives early access into the park through the dedicated park entrance. And because you're staying quite literally at the park entrance, you're never too far away from your room or family suite, making it incredibly easy to pop back to your room for a quick nap, a quick refresh before heading straight back into the parks to finish your day. It takes the stress completely out of the theme park hustle. And when you're ready to lock in your ultimate Universal vacation here in Texas or at any of the Universal parks, make sure to reach out to your Vacationeer advisor or click the booking link down in the description. Our expert planning services are completely free to use, and we will handle all of the heavy lifting, ensuring your family gets the best value and a completely seamless vacation. Now, without further ado, let's dive right in and tour the room. As you first enter the room into these expanded corner layouts, you'll find yourself in the main living area. You're immediately greeted by a fantastic addition for families, a built-in bunk bed. This configuration is brilliant, featuring comfortable full-size mattresses on the bottom and a twin mattress up top. To maximize the room's footprint, Universal built-in smart storage cubbies directly underneath the bottom bunk. Across from the bunk beds is the main queen-size bed. The bed is flanked by two convenient wall-mounted reading lights and a dual nightstand with built-in drawers for smaller items. On both sides of the bed, you'll have access to a massive array of power options, including standard US plugs, USB, and USB-C ports. A really nice touch here is the Bluetooth stereo alarm clock that features a built-in wireless charging pad right on top, alongside additional USB and USB-C charging ports. You can easily charge half a dozen devices right here by the bed, ensuring your phones, camera, or smartwatches are 100% ready to track all those steps and capture all the moments in the park the next morning. Next to the bed is the room's main closet storage, packed with hanging space as well as upper and lower shelves to completely tuck your suitcases or clothes away. And set in the corner of the room, right by the window, is a cozy bench seat and table combo. This serves as the perfect designated station for kids to work on coloring books and crafts or enjoy a quick in-room meal or afternoon snack. Directly across from the beds, you'll find a large flat panel TV. Universal upgraded the tech package here, so not only do you get a great lineup of premium television channels, but the system also provides the ability to securely link up to your own streaming platforms. Directly beneath the TV, you'll find more storage, which has the room's mini fridge, additional cabinets, as well as the room safe to lock up your valuables before heading out for the day. It's also worth noting that several rooms in these queen configurations feature connecting doors. This is a game changer for larger families or multi-generational groups traveling together to double up the space. But if you're looking to book one of these, you definitely need to reach out to your Vacationeer advisor early to lock it down before they sell out. On the far side of the room is the entrance to the kid-friendly bathroom. Inside, you'll find a large bright vanity anchored by a gorgeous backlit mirror. Below the vanity counter is a wide open shelf where you'll find your complimentary hairdryer. To make bath time a breeze after a long park day, these rooms feature a full shower tub combo with a high clearance shower head, a handy shelf to store your personal items, and a dispenser stocked daily with Dove bath amenities. This is also where you'll see one of the upgrades from the other queen rooms. The toilet is tucked away in its own private room. The views of this category can vary depending on location, but you could have a view looking out directly into the Universal Kids theme park, a view of the beautiful pool area, or the front courtyard. And now that the resort is officially open and vacation packages are officially on sale, these rooms are filling up fast. If you're ready to book your next Universal vacation, do not wait. Reach out to your Vacationeer advisor today or simply click that booking link located right down in the description. Our team will handle all the heavy lifting, from bundling your theme park tickets to securing the perfect room layout, ensuring your family gets the absolute best value out of this amazing new kids paradise. Thank you so much for watching, and make sure to hit the subscribe button so you don't miss our upcoming coverage inside the brand new theme park gates. And until next time, y'all take her easy. This is Taylor with the Vacationeer, keeping your coffee hot and your travel plans even hotter.